Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, let's fix Facebook Watch video icon tab missing. So first thing first, launch your Facebook application, and as you can see that I don't have the video or the reel tab either. I have home, marketplace, my profile, my insights, notification, and my profile. But if you click onto your profile, you will see reels right here, and if you would like to view it from here. If you so want it under this tab bar, here's another way you can do and keep it on your tab bar. For that, scroll below, select Settings. Under Preferences, you will see Tab Bar. Open it, select Customize the bar. You will see Video, which is hidden. Let's go ahead and pin it. Now, as it says, you can only pin 3 things. So in my case, I would have to hide this marketplace. And then let's go ahead and pin the video again from hidden to pin. And now it has been pinned. Let's go ahead and check by tapping onto our profile, refreshing our page a couple times. And now you can see that I have this video icon right here. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.